In this video, we'll show you how to generate a bill of materials in just 2 minutes using uplan, even without a layout. After creating a new project, if you don't have a layout, simply skip the upload step. Then name your floor and click Set Reference Length. Add an arbitrary measurement on the provided sample layout used for reference only. Then start dragging and dropping an electrical cabinet and a rack cabinet onto any spot. Continue by placing the devices you need anywhere on the sample, whether it's socket outlets for conventional electrical systems or lighting elements for locks-on projects. Once all icons are placed, click on Offer. Here you'll find the automatically generated bill of materials, complete with product names, article numbers, list prices, quantities, and total price. You can also adjust the currency displayed. You can download the files as an Excel sheet with one click. That's how easy it is to create a bill of materials in under 2 minutes. Need a detailed offer with technical documentation as well? Check out our tutorial on creating a professional offer. Electrical planning can be that easy with uplan.